Are illegal search and seizures common in drug-related cases? Attorney Keith Hallam says, yes. Also, an illegal stop of a person's vehicle is the most common defense that you try to use in a drug case. I'd say 75 to 80% of drug cases start from a person's car. They get pulled over for something and the cop finds drugs inside the vehicle. The first thing you always want to look at is, was it a valid stop of your car? The police officer has to have a reasonable suspicion that criminal activity is afoot in order to stop a person's vehicle. Without that, the stop of their vehicle is invalid, and everything that happens after the stop of the vehicle is invalidated as well. So, if you're driving your car and the cop pulls you over and says, I didn't have any reason to pull you over, you just look suspicious. That's not enough. And then, anything that he finds inside the car is not going to be used against you later on, provided that your attorney files a motion to suppress in order to invalidate the stop of the person's car. Taking the next step, let's say there is a valid stop of the person's vehicle. The next thing you look at is there probable cause to search? There are a number of factors that go into the police officers determining whether or not there is a probable cause. Is there an odor? Were there statements that were made? Does the police officer see something in plain sight? If the police officer doesn't have probable cause, then he can't search. If he doesn't, later on if it's challenged, anything that he finds as a result of that search cannot be used against that person. For a free phone consultation, contact attorney Keith Hallam in Alexandria, Virginia at 703-548-1462 or visit him on the web at www.novalegalgroup.com.